Vincent Ashaba ow'ekitongole kya AVSI najangwa kigendererwa ky'ehururu no kutahema handa yo kuchendeza eibura mirimo hamwe no kwera abagitungire okugigumaho batababingire.
Twaza kwetekereza ekiko twashanga abantu bingi nangwa bine skills omuzungu nakyeta oversupply of skills. Abantu bingi bashomere bine myuga bashomere konka tabakubasa kumanya opportunities nanga si chances ahiziri bakubasa kufuna emirimo. Nje twaganira heri izoba twashanga ngo abantu twatwinaha baba umugaso muhango kandi forum neza kwa nebemberwa Isingiro district services department
Kolgira Hamuhandichi wa Service Commission akachikwa karukuhereza emirimo mu district ya Isingiro abantu abamwe no birukangira gukora za kosa ha matendekero bitu batakabandize kutekateka emirimo yibarukwenda gukora ombero byo misho.
Again, we need to do more of career guidance because people have studied, yes, but you find that like what's over, it is you actually who said it. Someone wants to be a pilot but has never seen an aeroplane, has never done sort of things. You find that people are doing what I would say courses that would not help them be able to access jobs in our country. Because you find that someone has actually studied even very many courses. Actually, for me, I call it the overqualification syndrome. People have studied. Someone does the first degree, they don't get employed.
Hono gunajangwa abantu abamwe batungire emirimo bahinduka abanyantagambwaho ekibaretire bagiferwa bwanyuma yo kubabinga ninga okuferwa kutungurwa omirimo yabo.
In government, these people when they get these jobs they think they are now untouchable. They think they've gotten everything, but they fail to know that performance is key. You find that especially we have these challenges with a lower cadre staff, secretaries, office attendants, and these other junior staff. You enter an office, someone even doesn't greet you. Someone doesn't even offer you a seat. Someone doesn't even ask you what you want.
Umurgebyo harimo okurebera abantu abo kuboyine kukorera. Obwiro bwinji ntweshanga ngo ntwenda kuba abakama umanyago abakozi. Abantu abakwizo mirimo yite special nkaba ma office ngo bakama bitu. Konko shanga kugira ngo nite bakushanga mu office twenda kuba bakama bo bakaba abakweta bwo buyambi kunu itatu ry'abakozi nibo bakama.
Nkaguma ha miringo yo kumaraho ibura mirimo abatura bashabirwe kongera kwegese byo mukono na mnongo mu mpunji obo bari kugira ngo buheze burukuruga heru kubwakushesha butakiroho empunji zibase kwebisabo.
What action pointers have AVSI taken? Carrying the young innovators of refugees, visiting mom, borrowing knowledge, not AVSI only, all partners within here that are doing livelihood on the ground. The district, UNHCR, having refugees, because at a certain point we shall reach and we say, no, I need to repatriate back to my country.
Gasha kwa Ruth ni wamanya.